Grazie. Signor Elmer.
Thank you very much. Mr. Helmer.
Madam Chairman, can I ask the Commissioner whether all this sudden talk of growth is not just a panic, knee-jerk reaction to recent elections in France and in Greece? And can I ask whether the Commission has any realistic ideas for addressing the problem? All you seem to be able to think of is spending more money. You say we must increase the budget, but you haven't got any money. Europe doesn't have money, it just has debts. You don't seem to understand the reasons for Europe's loss of competitiveness, and the reasons are excessive regulation and excessive tax, to start with. You talk of smart regulation. We don't need smart regulation. We need less regulation. You don't seem to be aware that a key reason for loss of competitiveness across most of southern Europe is membership of the euro, that countries like Greece and Portugal will never price themselves back into global markets when they are locked into an entirely wrong exchange rate. You have taken no account of the vast costs of our lunatic climate policies. You say we in Europe must lead the third industrial revolution, but we're competing against countries like America with cheap shale gas, India and China with cheap coal, and we're trying to use very, very expensive and intermittent renewables. It breaks my heart, Commissioner, that you are unable to see what you need to do to start to address the problem.